Hello my lovely friends, and welcome back to a new video. It got very cold this week, so I had to heat the fire stoves nearly every single day. This week was also very rainy and dark, as you could see at the beginning of the video. So I did a lot of admin stuff like planning, researching manufacturers and printing companies, and also finished up some design projects. So I started filming on Friday, where I packed the Patreon Happy Mail and where it was finally sunny again to film. And the week was so busy with planning because I prepare for my Christmas shop update and for my first Christmas market. So I had to research for a good printing company to outsource the greeting cards. Last year I had to print way too much of them at home. And yeah, don't get me wrong, I was very, very happy with how the Christmas shop update went. But for this year, I just want to get all of the cards printed by a company, because cutting and folding them is also a lot of work besides the hours of printing. I will still make all the other products like stickers, prints and so on at home. And I also ordered a lot of white and red tote bags and white pouches to print them with Christmas designs. Later on in this video you will also see a little bit of the Christmas cards illustration process. But I'm just really in a rush with getting them ready so that I can send them for printing, that I won't film a lot of them, I think. But I will of course show you all the other shop update and Christmas market prep over the next few weeks. And yeah, so now enjoy a little bit of cozy packing. Yeah, today is Saturday and I want to go on a walk up in the mountains with my dog. It's not very sunny today, but the leaves are already orange and yellow and it's very beautiful outside, especially up there in the mountains where I want to go. So yeah, I will take you with me, and after that I want to work on my Christmas greeting cards, on the illustrations for them, because it's already the 1st of October and I'm very late. Yeah, so I want to get this done this weekend. At least 2 illustrations. Better would be 4, because I want to order 4 different greeting cards. So let's go and drive up the mountain.